bright plumage, dazzling feathers and fascinating calls. It's this that makes parrots probably the most beautiful birds in the world. Many species of birds come under the family of parrots, and they have always been shown admiration for their beautiful feathers and capacity to simulate the human voice, giving the illusion that they can talk. They are also one of the wisest animals in the world. They are also highly intelligent birds and are known to use many tools to help with eating the food they have collected. Through this video, I am to describe most beautiful parrots in the world. Golden parakeet. The actual gold parakeet is among the best birds on the planet. This particular bird is really stunning due to the gold appear that means it is called since the gold parakeet. It's therefore a wise bird. Its eco-friendly feathers making it much more stunning. This particular variety is associated with birds is actually endangered to become wiped out. Scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaw is one of the largest and beautiful parrot species in the world and is known for its colorful plumage and intelligence. Scarlet macaws live in rainforests of Central and South America but are now found as pets all around the world. They have a predominantly red body with yellow, greenish and blue coloration on the wing and tail feathers. They are highly intelligent and have the ability to recognize shape and color. Because of their demand as pets, their population in the wild is declining and they are being illegally trafficked for their pet trade. The macaw is one of the most colorful birds in the world.
I want caters.
African gray. Africa gray may be the majority of smart talkative bird varieties on the planet. The actual relationship along with proprietors allow Africa gray in order to stand out within speaking. Since the title show Africa gray birds tend to be native to the island in order to Congo associated with the African continent as well as within gray pigmentation. They've the wingspan in between 56 cm as well as 52 cm. The actual man as well as woman Africa gray appear comparable. Hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw is considered the longest parrot in the parrot's family. Its length is 100 centimeters. It ranks number 4 among the other parrots. It is also the largest parrot. Its roots belong to the eastern and the central South of America. Its blue color makes it seem too beautiful. Blue and yellow macaw, an extremely big bird varieties which has descent from the actual South USA. They're primarily present in the actual damp jungles as well as swamps. Their own color look is extremely impressive, plus they possess an excellent talking capability. Additionally considered to be really interpersonal as well as smart within character. Eclectus. This parrot species is available only in the rainforests of Papua New Guinea and has bright plumage of different colors in both males and females. The sexes of this species look so different that if these were considered separate species for a long time, the male has green plumage and a yellow-orange beak while the female has red and purple feathers with a black beak. They communicate danger by raising the feathers on their head and have a life expectancy of approximately 30 years. These birds too are popular pets and so are vulnerable in the wild. It is also one of the wisest talking birds in the world. White-fronted Amazon. White-fronted Amazon is the smallest parrot of Amazon parrots. It takes number 6 among the top 10 species of parrots. Its length is about 25 centimeters. It lives in forested acres of Central America. Its life expectancy is about 40 years. It can copy from 30 to 40 sounds. Sun parakeet. Sun parakeet is an attractive and endemic parrot species native to South America. Their amazing plumage display yellow, red, orange, blue and green colors. Sun parakeet also has a white patch around the eyes and green marking on the wings. Like a number of other parrot species, both male and female parakeet look alike. They are also known for mimicking the human voice. Unlike adults, the juvenile sun parakeet has olive green coloration. It changes to a mixture of different bright colors after they become 6 months old. They make groups that contain up to 30 birds and feed on berries, fruits, nuts and flowers. Gala. These beautiful birds are easily identified thanks to their pink chest and face. Gala parrots are also known as rose-breasted cockatoos. They are found across all regions of Australia in large flocks. They can be up to 14 inches tall and weigh 270–350 grams. The top of their heads and tail are gray in color. The male and females look alike, but they can be distinguished by their eyes. Dusky lory. The particular really lively and also lively dusky lories are usually just about the most well-known family pet parrots on Earth. The particular clever dusky lories furthermore mimic individual presentation well. In addition, they want to enjoy together with toys and games or usually interact with folks. Dusky lories are usually comes from Papua Fresh Guinea and in addition referred to as since white-rumped lory. The particular dusky lories have got size around 9.5 inches wide and also ponder among 9.5 to 10.5 ounces of. The particular men and also feminine fowl seem likewise and contains vivid fruit-tinted superior torso, product-tinted rump, gray hip and legs and also dim fruit-tinted beak. They will inhabit inside warm and also subtropical reforested land regarding Papua Fresh Guinea. Dieting regarding dusky lories include many fruits, nectar and also plant seeds. Bronze-winged parrot. This is one of the most beautiful parrots is found in the forests of South America and is mostly blue and purple in color. It has a large bronze-colored spot on its wings which gives it the name. Their numbers in the wild are very low because of the trafficking as pets and deforestation. They live in tree hollows and breed from March to June. Each season the female lays 3 to 4 eggs. Yellow-crested cockatoo. Yellow-crested cockatoo has a very beautiful looking. It has a fair white plumb along with yellow crest, so it had been named as yellow-crested cockatoo. It lives in Australia. Its length is about 34 centimeters. Fisher's lovebirds. Fisher's lovebirds belong to Madagascar and Africa. They are not only found in forests, but they are owned by people in houses also. Despite its small size, it is considered one of the smartest parrots. Its lifespan is about 20 years old. Sulphur-crested cockatoo. This is a large and beautiful species of parrot, known for its distinctive sulphur yellow crest. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. They are usually between 17–25 inches tall and have white plumage. The male and female birds are almost alike. However, they do have different colored eyes. The females have reddish-brown eyes while the male birds have dark brown eyes. They also have a wide variety of loud calls. They can live up to 70 years and make their nests in the hollows of trees. They feed mainly on seeds, nuts, roots, and berries. Pale-headed rosella. The pale-headed rosella is a broad-tailed parrot of the genus Platycercus native to northeastern Australia. It is a moderate-sized parrot with a pale yellow head, predominantly white cheeks, scarlet black and gold back and pale blue underparts. 2 subspecies are recognized, although some authorities consider it to be conspecific with the eastern rosella of southeastern Australia. Found in open woodland, it feeds on seeds and fruit. As with other rosellas, The pale-headed rosella nests in hollows of large trees, even found to have a nest in a tree hollow 50 centimeters underground rather than above ground. It readily adapts to aviculture and is sold as a cage bird.